रेरा कायद्याप्रमाण गोंय सरकारान ऑथॉरिटी नेमल्या खरी, मात कायद्याचे नेम अधिसूचित नाशिल्ल्यान बिल्डरांचें रजिस्ट्रेशनूच फुडें धुकलं ना। कायदो चालीक लागता म्हळ्यार अजून कितलो तेंप लागता कांयच धड ना। रेराचेर चर्चा करूंक GCCIत एक कार्यावळ जाली। वांटेकार जावंक बिल्डर, इंजिनियर, आर्किटेक्ट आशिल्ले।
See, first of all, we at CREDI and at the housing industry level, we welcome Rera. But there may be points wherein people feel that we may not be given justice. Then people, someone from the states, they have approached the High Court. But in Goa, I don't think it will be, there be requirement of going to the legal aspect. Because we are hopeful that whatever is beneficial for Goa atmosphere as far as the housing industry is concerned, Rera at Goa and Goa government is going to address.
फकत बिल्डरांकूच टायम बाउंड सर्विसीची सक्ती कित्याक? सरकारी खात्यांकूय बिल्डरांची परमिशनां टायम बाउंड दिवपाची सक्ती आसूंक जाय।
All this exercise is time bound, and time becoming the essence of the entire agreement related exercise. Ultimately, that whole exercise depends on town planning, municipalities, panchayats, and hell of a lot of other authorities which come into play to bring a time-bound performance deliverable to the end user, that's the client, the consumer, the allottee of an apartment or a plot or a building as seen in the end. Nothing is mentioned.
Every time there is a problem about the safety, and there was this accident, there was so much fear about everywhere. They were saying, oh, there was building collapse, and so like nobody wanted to give any permissions, nobody wanted to look at the thing. Oh, we are responsible for this. So I think there needs to be perhaps the certification of the safety of the building also may be a point to be considered.
मात कायद्यांत बिल्डरांचे नजरेन काय बऱ्यो गजाली आसात।
I think Goa is catching up us later. Many states have gone much ahead in implementation of Rera. I think already the catharsis has taken place there, wherein fly-by-night operators have closed down. Okay, organized peoples, definitely I would go with Dr. Desh saying that people who are already organized, there is no problem. Only it will help them organize better. This is the way in which I look at it. It will filter out quality of professionals and delivery in this entire project.
फ्लॅट घेतली गिरायकां बिल्डरांकडच्यान फटवची न्ही म्हूण मोदी सरकारान रेरा कायदो लागू केला खरो, मात गोंयांत तरी हो कायदो सध्या अध्यात ना मध्यात। बिल्डरूय हुमकळ्ळो। प्रुडंटा खातीर सुभाष खुटवळकार।